What's up, guys? Just stopped up here at the AutoZone and got a U-bend and exhaust tip for my truck. So I'm gonna work on. I gotta make an actual mount with some metal that I have at home, so I can weld up the hanger, take that wire off, and I'm gonna get the exhaust coming out towards the over here, so it looks better. And it'll sound a little better too, because instead of drowning out over here, it'll go down and out towards the truck more. So yeah, I'm gonna get some lunch and get that done. All right, guys, back at the house. I got this side ground down, and just this lip ground down. So I'm gonna get the welder and weld this to that. Just been using this. What's called the Hercules right angle grinder, and this thing works great. I love using this little brush attachment. I just end up picking up a set from Harbor Freight. These are actually on sale, well, clearance I should say. And best thing is with the Hercules, use the open-ended wrenches so you can just get them done. 13 and an 18 to take the collar nut off. So let me get the welder out and weld this up, and I'll show you after. All right, guys, so I got it welded up. Not perfect. I'm not a perfect welder. Had to go over a few times on certain spots, you know. Got one little spot that didn't get fully penetrated right there, so touch that up. And I'm gonna paint this up. But for what it's gonna be on, I don't care. This is all me learning more stuff still. All right, guys, got it primered up for, you know, I got to hold it up, then I hit it with the black spray paint. It's coming out good, and I'm going to work on getting the old turn down off, and we can mock this up, and I'll show you. And I still got to get a piece of rod to weld to the other rod for a support. Not for this, but for the muffler, because the muffler is right here, and the support's right there. So I never got it fixed properly, but I'll show you guys in a few. So give me a few minutes and I'll show you guys. All right, guys, so getting this set up here. Gonna put it on the manifold. So it's gonna stick out probably like right here. I could probably go back a ½ inch and go probably out to here. This depends on what I like, you know. Obviously a little bit down, and you know, I could go all the way out to here. I think right here between the cab, or probably right there. I'll see how it looks in a minute. All right, guys, I got tack welded in a few spots, so it's gonna be as where it's gonna be, because this pipe ain't long enough. And if I ever do redo this pipe, it's gonna be probably another foot, ½ inch, or not ½ inch, about 6 more inches longer, if not a little bit longer. But I think it'll be fine, and it'll sound better too. So let me weld this up and show you guys final product. All right, guys, so got it all welded up, finished painting it, and this is a stock finish on the stainless steel tip here. It's like a bed liner is what I'd call it. So it feels like anyway. So I'm gonna let it dry, let the paint dry for a little bit, then start it up. All right, guys, we're gonna start my truck with the new tailpipe and bend in it. So here we go. Wait for everybody to go by. Sounds good. Sounds better. Gonna rev it up a few times. All right, inside POV. All right, we're gonna wrap this video up now. Thanks for watching, guys.